So in our previous video, you learned what knowledge management actually is and why it's important for your business. In this video, we're going to walk through the different types of systems you might use and the steps on how to integrate it inside of your organization. Knowledge management can be broken down into 4 steps: gathering the knowledge, organizing it, sharing it, and continuously improving it. And the best way to do this is through a knowledge management system. In other words, a tool. A knowledge management system or knowledge base is, in simple terms, kind of like a digital library. It's a place where a company's knowledge, information, and experiences can be stored, organized, and shared. There are many different types of knowledge management systems that are used for different purposes. For example, you might have a learning management system, which lets you organize documentation and videos, a CRM system to help manage customer interactions, a content management system to facilitate the creation and modification of digital content. Most businesses have a project management system, which assists in planning, organizing, and managing resources. And then most businesses also have cloud storage or sometimes internal wikis to help them organize various documents, files, and guidelines in flexible and searchable ways. The type of information or processes you're trying to organize is going to impact the tool that you eventually choose. For example, if you're looking to integrate and manage core business processes like finance, HR, supply chains, and manufacturing, an ERP system or enterprise resource planning system is probably going to be very crucial for you. If your goal is to analyze complex data sets, you're probably going to need a business intelligence tool. If you just want a flexible place to organize lots of different types of information, you might want a wiki or knowledge base like Notion. And if your organization deals with a large volume of documents requiring secure storage, version control, and compliance, a document management system is probably the best fit. Whether you're in a smaller company using standalone tools or a larger organization with an entire ERP system, it's always useful to have a central hub where everyone can know where the information is stored regardless of the tool. So now that you have more of a sense of the types of tools that you might use for knowledge management, let's have a look now briefly at the steps you might take to implement knowledge management in your organization. Step 1 is to gather the knowledge. A knowledge management system facilitates this by providing a place where employees can contribute their knowledge and expertise. This can be done through different means like uploading documents, recording videos, writing articles, or commenting on threads and conversations. For example, in a manufacturing company, an LMS or reference library can allow experienced technicians to create tutorials on maintenance procedures for specific tools. These videos can then easily be accessed by new technicians or as refreshers for existing ones. Step 2 is to organize. A good knowledge management system also includes features for content management, such as tagging, categorizing, and summarizing the content. This structure, which is defined by the team or the organization in control of it, makes it much easier for employees to organize and browse the gathered knowledge efficiently. Step 3 is to make the knowledge shareable. Good knowledge management systems make sharing knowledge easy through collaboration, intuitive search, and even AI tools that can suggest relevant knowledge or answer questions based on the organization's data. And step 4 is continuous improvement. Knowledge management systems allow for continuous updates and improvements to that knowledge base. Users should be able to comment, rate, or even submit revisions directly within the content, ensuring that the knowledge remains up to date and accurate over time. So at a high level, the knowledge management process for organizations usually involves 4 stages: gathering knowledge, organizing knowledge, making sure that knowledge is shareable, and then continuously improving and updating that knowledge. Now, as you search for the right tool to manage your knowledge, you're going to realize that there are many different types of systems to choose from. So in our next video, you're going to learn a little bit more about how to choose the best type of software that fits your needs.